Tuna is one of the healthiest fish to eat. It's very versatile. You can eat it raw or cooked. Today we are going to eat it raw. I am making tuna lab today. So let's get started. Hi YouTube fans, this is Nook Hashka. Welcome to Nook's Kitchen. So let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using today in my lab. First and foremost, I have fresh tuna or raw tuna in this case. And then I have nampa or fish sauce. This is kifa leaves or lamb leaves. And this is chili peppers, roasted rice, galanga, MSG, which is optional. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. This is dry chilies, cilantro, pak pale. I'm not sure what you call this in English, but in Lao we call it pak pale. It's from one of the mint families. Regular mint, culantro, and green onions. Slicing the tuna now. I'm cutting them in cubes. I just got this knife. Look at it. It's huge and it's cutting really well. I like it a lot. Adding my fish sauce, lamb leaf, chili peppers. Ooh, that's going to be hot, I know it. Roasted rice, galanga, MSG, and chilies. Now we have to mix it. It smells really good. Okay, one key ingredient that I forgot to mention earlier is the lemon. You know, my husband and I went to Thailand recently. And this is the very first time that we are eating the tuna fish this way. Usually I use salmon or I use other fishes, but never tuna. So when I ordered the dish, I said, oh, it's just tuna, you know, making it like lab. And it was very, very refreshing. Okay, let's taste it to see if it is to my satisfaction. Needs a little bit more lime. Oh, lemon, not lime, sorry. You know, I've been cooking a lot with lime and went to Sam's Club yesterday. They ran out of lime, believe it or not, so I had to buy lemon. And it's not spicy, so I'm going to add dried chilies. And also a little bit more fish sauce. And a little bit more of galanga and rice, roasted rice. Okay, let's taste it again. Let's see. It's perfect. Slicing the mint Then we'll add it to the lab. Putting my lab in the bowl. This is how we serve our fish lab or tuna lab with raw vegetables and sticky rice. I'm going to take another bite because it's so good, and then I'm going to reconfirm that it is still good. Finger food. Oops. It's delicious. One thing left to do. Cheers. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.